Hello class. For the week 3 walkthrough, I just wanna make a note here that this week you can look at 1.4, which has to do with basic integration formulas and the net change theorem. And after you've done the assignment for this, which you can find under assignments, then you want to take the exam on Thursday. You can take it either Thursday or Friday. So you'll have a test. We call it, it's really a quiz on sections 1.1, which is approximating areas, 1.2, which is the definite integral, 1.3, which is the fundamental theorem, and 1.4, which you're going to look at this week. And the test will be available on Thursday at 8 a.m. until Friday evening at 11:59. It's an hour and 45 minutes, and you'll need to take it in one sitting. Probably have about 10 questions. If you have any questions, please see me during my office hours, which are on Tuesdays from 3 to 4:30, on Thursdays from 11 a.m. to 12:30, but this week I'll have to stop at 12, or tomorrow, which is Monday, at 1 p.m. I'll be meeting with one student, so if anyone else wants to drop in, they're welcome. Alright, so in 1.4, the objectives are to apply basic integration formulas, explain the significance of the net change theorem, and use the net change theorem to solve applied problems, which we will likely do, but really the integration formulas are the most important thing in this section. Alright then. If you have any other questions, again, I'll see you tomorrow or Tuesday or Thursday. All right, thanks.